everyone. Now, a question I get asked quite a lot here at the clinic is when they come in for their adjustment, they hear obviously the joints pop and click. They quite often ask, what actually is causing that click, or what's creating that click? Now, to answer this question, we have to go in a little bit into the anatomy of the body. Now, between all the joints in your body, you have this fluid, which we call synovial fluid, which eases joint motion and makes it nice and smooth. When a joint is put under a lot of pressure, say for example if you stress one side for whatever reason, or there's an imbalance in your body, little pressure obviously builds up through the joints, and you get created in this fluid, get little gas bubbles that form, just like in a bottle of pop. And when we release the joint, the audible clicking sound you hear is that gas bubble just going to the edge of the joint and then popping. Just like if you open a bottle of champagne or open a bottle of fizzy pop, it's just a release of pressure. Also I get asked, is it safe? Is it okay? Should I be concerned about it? The answer is it's absolutely safe, it's perfectly natural. It's just how your joints take away pressure, basically.